Fishing nets have been touched for weeks and boats unused for a while as owners stare at them helplessly. It is a situation brought about by a recent unfortunate incident here at Kigungu landing site in Entebbe Municipality. It is not good news that a UPDF officer of the Fisheries Protection Unit was killed while on duty. The good news is that the fishing community here is apologetic.
Kubanga babera bannaffe babiri basatu bakola ensobi lwaki ate ffenna ssebo oyagala okulowooza ntwagala kubatta.
Omwana bwe yeetonda eri wa kitaawe asonyiibwa tusaba otusonyiwe.
The recently arrested suspected killers of the soldier were part of them, a reason why all fishing activities in this area have since been suspended. So, as area leaders and UPDF fisheries commanders met to chant a way forward, fishermen anxiously waited.
These people were already registered. The register is with you in the ministry for those who are registered. We would have come up with that register to cross-check those who are in that register. The moment we find that Mr. Kaye is already in the register of the ministry, we let him go and fish.
It took the arrival of State Minister for Fisheries Helen Adoa for resolutions to be made, and this is what was communicated.
So I want you to understand that when we fish without any fish in the lake, you spend a whole day in the lake without getting anything. So please, you need to appreciate why the Fisheries Protection Unit is in the lake.
Because we realized that there were a lot of criminals in this landing site, ungazetted landing site. A lot of criminals were there and we had to clean it.
Top among the resolutions arrived at was having all fishermen at Kigungu landing site registered, an exercise Minister Adoa urges them to embrace.
This landing site is not gazetted. Most of you registered under some landing sites. I want you to use those forms for registration that you are starting today. By Friday, the majority of you will be in the lake.
Discontented, fishermen expressed reservations, fears which were allayed.
Mama tukusaba ne zino license zanguweko era senga kisoboka ne ku Lwokutaano ndaba luli wala.
I don't want you to worry as long as you have been a registered fisherman or fisherwoman. Just get those forms and say, this is my registration. I registered under such and such a site. And they copy. Those forms, I looked at them, they are not very difficult to fill. Even now, after here, fill them. You have the copies of where you registered. And then by Friday, those who have already finished will go back to the lake.
The Fisheries Protection Unit of the UPDF was put in place in 2017 to, among other things, fight illegal, immature and overfishing. The initiative has since faced both clear and bumpy roads, and work is still in progress to entirely get rid of illegal fishing in the country. Henry Okurut, UBC.